What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Blue Fusion back at it again with another Miniverse Make It Mini Nature episode. And we are doing carrots today. There we go. Show them a picture of the carrots. Pure and simple. Alright. So we got our carrots here from, Happy Sun Farms. I was going to say Happy Tree Farms, but that's the, something else. There you go. And then we're going to unbox them. There's our carrots. Look at those. Alright. So we're going to do that. Then we got our soil organic mix from Happy Grow Company. Alright. Alright. And then in the picture, briefly, I did just see how we're supposed to do this. So, start by throwing our dirt in. On the sides. Alright, so then you unwrap this somehow.
Can you cut it?
Yeah, I'm thinking of cutting it. Maybe. There we go. There you go. So yeah, 1 carrot, 2 carrot, 3 carrot, 4 carrot, 5 carrot, and little baby 6 carrot. Alright, so then all you do is just stick them in. Or not. There you go. Dark Angel with the assistance, thank you. And that's pretty much it. Because you can't really pack them in there. So you can't. But I will try. Because they're like very loose. I think they should give you 2 things of dirt. Like to fill at least.
What if you angle them a bit?
Oh, like off to the side, yeah.
Or don't pack it and squish them in.
That's what I was going to try, yeah. Kind of like have it like loose and fluffy. And then kind of like in that area. Maybe pack it in? I don't know. But these are cool. No, these are at the bottom already. Oh, I'll put this guy right back in there. A lot better. There we go. Check that out. He's on the side because he's ready to be eaten. You know what I'm saying? Alrighty. This is carrots. Alright, put some more of that dirt in there. Alright, guys. If you guys did enjoy this video like I did, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. All right, and we'll catch you in the next video.